Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. Our company prides itself on having some of the best products out here in Northern Virginia. And one product in particular that I want to talk to you guys about today, it's a Bissell product. So we get a lot of customers calling in asking for recommendation on what the best carpet shampooer is, how do I get rid of pet smells and odors and stains, what's the best cleaner for my carpet, what's going to make it look better, what's something that's going to not take hours to dry, and I have just the solution for you. So today we are going to talk to you guys about the Bissell Big Green carpet cleaning machine. It is one of the best rated, top rated carpet cleaning machines all throughout the United States, with thousands and thousands of great customer reviews on how well they love the product, how easy it is to use, how well it worked on their pet stains, how well it just made their carpet and their home feel cleaner. The Bissell Big Green has been out for a few years now. They always revamp it and redo it, always adding things and making it bigger and better. I know it's hard for a lot of people to go out and find the best shampooer. You know, there's so many people out there making them, and if you don't buy one, then you either have to rent one, which can be pricey, or you have to go out and hire somebody to come in and do your carpets. When you can do it so easily and so much better than what some of the things out there that are available to you, this machine will do so much better job. So this is off of the Bissell website. I'm just going to read you guys a couple of really quick things. The Bissell Big Green provides professional grade cleaning. A professional grade cleaning results whenever it fits your schedule. The deep cleaner out cleans the leading rental thanks to the features like an 8-row DirtLifter PowerBrush and powerful suction that removes embedded dirt and stains. So what's unique about this is the roller design on the front of the machine that cleans and agitates the carpet. It has an 8-row DirtLifter, and then with the a suction that's behind it, it does a fantastic job. Now you are supposed to still vacuum very well before you shampoo with anything, or you have anybody come out. Make sure you vacuum all the dirt out of your carpet. But with this machine, it does a fantastic job of getting everything and all the soil and dirt and grime and residue down in those carpets, because carpets collect so much dirt and stuff that we can't see that's embedded down into it, and you need a good vacuum and a shampooer that's going to deep clean those carpets to keep them sanitary and clean and looking, smelling refreshing and all that type of stuff. Another nice thing about this is it's 6-inch tough stain and 9-inch long reach hose, which is great for people that have carpeted steps, and it's so hard to be able to shampoo and clean those carpeted steps. If you know, your furniture, it's great for doing your furniture, your vehicles. There's so many applications above the floor cleaning that you can use to get with that hose. And it has an adjustable handle, and also it has a height level to get the best comfort for you while you're using the vacuum, so you can adjust it to get the best height, and it's adjustable, so when you're using it, it's very easy to maneuver. A couple quick facts about the Bissell Big Green is for every purchase of a Bissell product, they actually have a foundation that helps rescue pets. Like I said, it out cleans the leading rental company, so if you're renting them, I would stop doing that and just think about purchasing one of the Big Greens. They're phenomenal. We've talked about the 6-inch tight tough stain tool. It has a 2 large tank capacity, so it's really, tanks are really big, so you don't have to stop and go, constantly filling and emptying tanks. The clean water tank and the dirty water tank are super large. The 25-inch power cord, so you don't have to continuously keep changing from outlet to outlet. And the best thing about this is, it has a 5-year limited warranty, which protects you from everything. So if you have any guarantees or questions, you can look right up in the warranty. It has a limited warranty that covers pretty much everything, which gives you that peace of mind for 5 years that your machine's going to be good for 5 years. You don't have to worry about repairs and paying for expensive parts and repairs. This thing has a 4.9 out of 5 reviews. So if you haven't looked at it and you haven't checked it out, go to our website, acevacuums.com, or go to Bissell's website. But everything that we carry is on acevacuums.com. If you have any questions, call us at 703-997-9292. Like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. We will be doing a video soon on how to use those things, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any questions, come by and check us out. Thanks, and have a great day.